Hello friends. Today we will extract copper from electrical wires. In this video I will show you how much cable I have accumulated, what methods I use to remove the insulation from the wires, what devices I made for this, and also at the end of the video I will show you how many kilograms of pure copper I managed to get and how much money I have earned. Be sure to watch the video to the end, it will be very interesting. But first I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel and like this video because it will greatly affect the promotion of this video and the growth of my channel. Over the past 5 months, I have accumulated such a box full of electrical cable waste, and having learned the price of copper, I immediately set to work. Recently, the price of copper rose by 20% in Moldova. There have never been such prices for the metal. And what is your price for copper? Be sure to write in the comments, it will be interesting to know. I thought for a long time how it would be better and faster for me to clean these wires. First I cut the cable 20 to 30 centimeters long and then removed the wire from the insulation with pliers. But after about an hour I realized that this is not the best way, because my hands get very tired and start to hurt. So I took the machine that I made in the last video. Who didn't see it, the link will be in the description, and with it I removed all the top insulation from the cable, and in order to clean the wires themselves, I made such a device from a piece of board and a blade. The design is very simple, I think everyone can do it. Well, friends, in such ways, in 2 days I was able to strip all the wires. Then you can see how much pure copper turned out. Weigh it and go sell it. Here is the result, friends, 22 kilograms of pure copper. I also didn't throw out the insulation from the cable. I want to take it to the reception where they accept plastic and rubber, so we can recycle the cable 100% without causing any harm to nature. I got 18 kilograms of insulation, and from here we can conclude that electrical cables consist of approximately 45% insulation and 55% copper. I sold copper at a price of 98 lei, about $6. As a result, I earned 2,250 lei, or $132. And 2 days later, as I handed over copper, the price increased by another $1. And that's all for me, friends. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel, put like and click on the bell so as not to miss such videos. Thank you all for your attention so far.